Jynxie in the wild. Well, good morning, everybody. So, I'm going to be going to my friend's house and hanging out with him for a while. We're trying to fix his phone. So. And plus, it's supposed to be raining gloom all day, so. While there's a break of the weather, why not? Oh, and tomorrow I'm going to be starting the ads for the store. So, yeah. I should probably create a trailer for the store, you know? Of what we have available in the website and this and that. I'll probably do that later today. So you guys can get a sneak peek of what we have available. What's the matter, dear? Are you okay? Jynxie? Jynxie, baby, are you okay? Really? Okay, come on. Yes, I have to bark at everybody after scaring myself with a big one of his tree limb. Come on, babes. Jynxie. Come on, sweetie. So today's plan, besides going to my friend's place, is I have to fill up the car. And also, this way. Also, go to Walmart and get some stuff. Come on, babes. I'm going to buy her some food and stuff. So.